Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how to use your LS658 to make whole, fresh, organic tomato juice. As well as the tomato juice, you'll find in our recipe book a recipe for tomato paste. And using the tomatoes, you can also make fresh, hot tomato soup, as we did with the pumpkin soup. But if you're not sure, just pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to hear from you and we will help you through the recipe. Okay, so when we make the tomato juice, we need to introduce the number 3 filter and the supersized disc funnel. Now, the way that we use the supersized disc funnel is very simple. First, we remove the cap from the jar lid and we place the supersized disc funnel into the jar lid. If you're worried or concerned about the produce coming out while you're processing, no problem. You just take the cap, turn that upside down and place that into the top of the disc funnel. Very, very simple and easy to use. So just let me show you again. To use the cap, it can be used in the jar lid like so, or in the supersized funnel like so. Very simple, very easy. Okay, so now let's get started and I'll show you how to make the whole organic tomato juice. First thing we need to do is to prepare the LS658. So remove the cap, take your number 3 filter and place that in the side of the jar, just like that, nice and easy. Now, one of the benefits of the LS658, which we haven't talked about, is the fact that you can process more produce than the jar will hold. So, what you do is you take your tomatoes and you add around half the jar full of tomatoes, just like that. And then you take your jar lid, place that on top, lock the safety arm, then remove the vented cap, which you may or may not need, depending on whether you get spill, and lock or place the supersized funnel on top of the jar. Now, before you push the button on, take your container, your bowl, or in this instance we're using a jug, and place it under the tap. Reason being is within 10 seconds we will be turning the tap on. So here we go. On. Wait 10 seconds, then turn the tap on and start adding the tomatoes. And at the same time, just keep an eye on the contents going into the jug so that you don't overfill the jug with tomatoes. Just like that. Keep an eye on the jar or the jug or the container so you don't overfill it. And when it's ready, when it's complete, all you need to do is turn the tap off. And that's how easy it is to produce a whole bowl of organic tomatoes to make your whole fresh tomato juice. And remember, just look how easily and beautifully that pours. And remember, in our recipe book, you can also see how to make the whole fresh tomato paste and a wonderful hot tomato soup. If you're not sure about what to do, then just give us a call and we'll guide you through the recipes, or better still, give us a call and book an in-home demonstration with one of our consultants and we'll be only too glad to come out and see you.